Ever look at a humble green leaf and wonder, how does something so small and simple keep all life on Earth going? What tiny miracles are happening right before our eyes that allow plants to transform sunlight, air, and water into the food and oxygen we need to survive? Well, get ready to be amazed, because inside each of these unassuming leaves is an invisible green machine more powerful than any human invention. A secret superpower that has kept our entire planet alive for billions of years. The mind-blowing process of our photosynthesis. Inside every leaf are millions of tiny green machines known as chloroplasts. And at the core of each chloroplast, chlorophyll, a miraculous molecule that acts like a solar panel, absorbing energy from sunlight. But chlorophyll isn't working alone. It has partners in crime. Carbon dioxide from the air we exhale, and water absorbed from the soil. When chlorophyll harnesses the sun's rays, it uses that energy to rearrange those simple ingredients into two life-sustaining compounds. The first, oxygen, the same stuff we breathe to stay alive. Ah, refreshing. And the second product is sugar, glucose to be precise. This sugary fuel gives plants the energy to grow tall, blossom into flowers, and bear tasty fruits and vegetables. And there you have it, the photosynthesis miracle. Plants transforming air, water and sunlight into food for themselves and every creature under the sun. From providing us with crops to sustaining entire ecosystems, this mind-blowing natural process makes our verdant, oxygen-rich world possible.